Mm, Hi, I am Mrs. Conian Talanya Magnaye, Gementisa Jr., also named as Mrs. Conian Talanya Magnaye, Quezon the First. What will I talk? This camera video is the year 2017. Year 2017 love life of myself with Alex Jr. ko. Year 2017, myself is 22-year-old. Then, this is what they is putting alibi. Those person my right ear, they this year 2025, they tends to put it alibi. Why? Because they is destroyer of lover relationship. And then year 2024, the kabit is already on telling a body movement to her backer, so that myself to be ruined. And then year 2023, they tends to get of what is mine, especially the wedding proposal of Alex and Gemetisa Jr. ko onto myself, meaning to say they is lazy on thinking process when it comes onto wedding propose. They tends to just copy it. And then the next is year 2022. They there is none on year 2022. So I will talk now. Wait lang. I feel I need to poop. Kabit in here is girl gender, and then she has backer on Bobo camouflage.
Wala pang ano eh, sarado pa eh.
And then it is 2 minutes and 22 seconds. I will end my video at this minute, 2 minutes and 29 seconds, because of they tends to interfere on my talking. I will talk on another camera video.